Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your PAN or Aadhaar must be linked and Google Pay updated, otherwise the score option won't appear. Once done, open Google Pay and tap your profile photo at top right. Then tap Payments Profile, scroll to Credit Score or Cibil Score tile, and select it. You do this now because verification steps appear next. Completing them ensures a smooth flow. Make sure notifications and permissions are allowed so verification SMS or prompts arrive without delay. Once you reach the credit score screen, you verify identity via OTP tied to your PAN. You allow SMS permission or manually type the OTP. This links your PAN for the bureau. After OTP, you confirm PAN details. Last name and date of birth must match exactly to avoid rejections. Then you review and give explicit consent to fetch your credit report from the bureau. This consent step is mandatory, so read it quickly. Then tap Proceed to request your score. You now receive your Cibil score, typically shown on a 300 to 900 scale. Take a moment to read the summary that explains high or low factors. Once done, tap Detailed Report to see payment history, account types, and recent inquiries which explain score movement. If the score fails to load, recheck PAN entry, SMS permissions, and CVV or DOB fields if issues persist. Use Google Pay Help to raise a ticket and mention the exact error text so agents can resolve it faster.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.